I am just tired of these weeds. Get out of here. I have a stack of subscribers. So I was looking at my tire and I noticed it was a bit low, and now it's, kind of flat. So I'm just gonna, look around for a hole. Oh yeah, that'll patch up. Anything else? This is my friend. Yeah, my friend. This is just my exhaust piece here. It was bottlenecked, and it sounds way better now. Half the flow. I can't imagine how much more power this thing has now. Just go boop. I'm putting on this guy here. It's gonna go just like this here, and out the side. That is one good-looking cat. Oh yeah, beautiful. Oh, it's looking good. Got the clamps on there. See how she sounds.